All right, folks, we want to take you back now to Mississippi for that breaking news in the plotting parents murder trial. So let's get back into court.
I believe that's all of you. All right, I've received another note from the jury indicating that y'all have still not been able to reach a unanimous decision. I caution you again, don't tell me which side, for lack of a better word, is winning. But what's the score? Has the score changed any?
No.
Score's not changed any? Do you feel that, and I'm sort of directing this to all of you are, not just Mr. Williams, but do you think that further deliberations, do you think any chance of any further deliberations moving the needle anywhere? Any of y'all think, do you think further deliberations will be any of use or not? Don't be bashful. Speak out, shake your head, whatever you think anyway. I see some of you shaking your head no. I see a lot of you shaking your head no. All right. Y'all just bear with me one second. Well, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm not gonna send you back if the needle hadn't moved any and you don't think there's any chance of it. If it was a 10-2 vote, 11-1, 9-3, even maybe, but 6-6 is as far as you can get anyway. And I want to say I appreciate y'all's service. We all knew going in this was going to be a tough case. It's going to take some of your time, and it's going to be a difficult case. I appreciate your service. Y'all be free to go. If you need an excuse for work or anything, y'all stop down in Miss Nowicki's office and they'll give you an excuse. If you want to talk to anyone about your jury service, you're free to do so. If you don't want to talk to anyone about your jury service, tell them you don't want to talk about it. I don't have any reason to think they would persist in asking you questions, but if they do, you get in touch with me or one of these court officials, and we will put a stop to it, okay? I don't have any reason to expect anyway to have any repercussions for your jury service whatsoever. But thank you. If you need that work excuse or anything, stop off in Miss Nowicki's office. And y'all go. Thank you for your service. And y'all have a good evening, okay?
All right, Michael, the jury is leaving, declares a mistrial 6-6, nobody moved.
Yeah, and as the judge said, that's as far apart as you can get. Perhaps had there been a different split, he might have made them go further. At first glance, 4.5 hours doesn't seem like a lot, but split 6-6, I think it was the right decision.
And twice, right? He gave him an hour and a half and still split. Let's go back in.
Y'all consult your calendars about when you may want to, if and then you want to retry this case. I got my wagon loaded between now and the first of the year, but sometime after the first of the year, if y'all wish to have a retrial, I'll get with you and get on calendars anyway.
The Kip County term is in February, and I believe that Pontotoc has a term at the same time, so they have to be a special session.
We burned through one Tipton County term by this case. I don't know if we can sacrifice another term. It probably needs to be outside the normal Tipton County term anyway. That's just my thoughts anyway. We've got y'all get together and look at your calendars and see this case I want to get disposed of. I will move something on my calendar if I need to make time for this case.
Can we schedule a time in the next week or so for the setting?
I'll be in Lafayette County. I'll be in Lafayette County week after next. No, next. I'll be in Lafayette County starting Monday all week. Mr. Hill will be there. I'm sure somebody at the DA's office will be there. If y'all need me next week, I'll be there all week, okay?
We'll plan to set it.
Okay.
Plan to set it at a future date at that time.
Yeah, we'll see about a future date at that time. It's this time, Mr. Spence will remain in custody at this time, and I'll hear any motions you might have. We need to have some discussions about the matters that have been introduced in the evidence, specifically the things of value. We'll entertain those thoughts. We can do that off the record after we have excused the jury, but we need to decide how we're going to do those things, okay? All right? Unless there's anything else,
No,
court be in recess, okay?